will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. True allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that has founded sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. All manner of people, according to law, will be will, that I will not directly any matter which shall be brought under my concern for the due discharge of my self to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me.
I want to welcome you this morning to the swearing-in ceremonies for a new batch of permanent secretaries. As some of you will recall, on the 25th of January, we gathered here in this same hall for the swearing-in of 14 permanent secretaries. Today's swearing-in ceremony brings the total of permanent secretaries we have now appointed to the Edo State Public Service to 33. With this new set of permanent secretaries, we have succeeded in filling virtually all the vacancies in the permanent secretary positions in Edo State. You will recall that we also recently appointed and swore in commissioners to hold the different ministries in the state, to head all the different ministries in the state. This is in line with my promise which I made during my electioneering campaign for my second term, that I will bring the much needed transformation to the civil service by enhancing and strengthening its human capacity. So what we are doing today, some people find strange, but it's the only way to go, which is to professionalize our civil service and make sure that only competent and proven people who have a track record can now manage our public services. These appointments are not made on the basis of any political affiliation. They've been made principally on capacity of the individuals to deliver. I want to use this opportunity to reiterate here that I'm fully committed to redeeming my campaign pledges through the 6 thematic pillars on which the mega agenda rests. Edo citizens have shown their trust and support for our administration by voting us back into power to continue the good work which was visible to them during our first term in office. It is therefore only right and justifiable that we reciprocate through quality governance and leaving lasting legacies for the people of Edo State, one of which will be a professional, formidable, and highly motivated civil service workforce. Our institutional reforms are ongoing. I therefore charge the new permanent secretaries that, in line with the vision and mission of our state, we must all now work collaboratively with the existing teams that are on ground to realize the transformation goal of our government. As I have always repeated, that we have no choice The days of receiving huge allocations from the federal government is coming to an end. We must now look at a way to organize ourselves properly and rely on ourselves internally. I want to urge all of you to be dedicated in the discharge of your duties and to work together as a team. We will not accept you playing politics. You are not the political head of these agencies. Do you hear me? Leave the politics for the political heads. Do your work as professionals. So as you assume duties in your various ministries, note that we don't want superstars. A lot of work has already been done. So we expect you to key in and adjust whatever we have done which you think may not be adequate. You are not coming to reinvent the wheel and start the process. No, you are not. There is a mega agenda, and we all have to queue into that agenda so that we get to our destination much quicker than we have planned. We are restructuring the various ministries. We're going to be allocating the ministries to you this afternoon. Some of the ministries have changed nomenclature. And as you know, because many of you have already participated in the process, every quarter you must come and give account of what you have done by showing us your scorecard. And you know the consequence of not performing on your scorecard. But from the selection process, I have no doubt that all of you have the capacity to deliver and perform. Commit yourself. I have implicit confidence that the team we have put together can and will deliver. And I make it bold to say that I'm prepared to put the CVs of these people alongside with those who have worked in the civil service, and you tell me whether they do not have the qualification or experience. We want a very healthy mix in our civil and public service. And at the end of the day, the only person you are accountable to is your God. Is that clear? If you know it is not the right thing, even if it is the governor that says go and do it, don't do it, because the governor will leave, but you will continue to live with your God. Congratulations.
I want to thank you for deeming it fit and for finding all of us worthy to be chosen among the lots to be permanent secretaries. Your transformational strive in the socio-economic and political spheres of the state is commendable. The civil servants are happy that you have created an enabling environment for them to work and succeed. And I want to say, with all sense of responsibility, that we've never witnessed this kind of thing before, where you have like 24 hours to work in the office. This is the first time it's happening. And your effort in all other affairs of Edo State are speaking for themselves. We here, we associate with the mantra of Mega, and we promise that we will use our collective and individual effort to contribute to the accomplishment of all that you have desired for Edo State.
God, I know how everybody take on this world. The thing be saying, as Mr. Governor talk just now, he say some of us, he never even know say we go be permanent secretary. What thing happen, be say they do exam, they say we do qualifying exam. So those when pass, they can't call us for interview. And they can't check our assessment. Wait, how will they work before? We where they work for service, how will they work? What will they do? How the things will they do, how it good, whether I help the system. So they can't see say some of us do well. Since when we did, they help the system. Now they say, okay, maybe we can't be permanent secretary to now begin to really push the things where Mr. Governor don't put for ground. All the what they call thematic pillars. In get 6 when you take us say want to run Edo State, and some of us don't they push and since. So this one opportunity now for us to come up as permanent secretary to ensure say all the plans when government get for Edo State we go put them in place, and the good people of Edo State go begin enjoy better life. Once they assign me to ministry, I go ensure say the place of that my ministry we do and well, and everybody when they ministry go work together. I go also network with other people to ensure say the things when go good for the Edo people now we go they do and we go they push them.
Hard work, share hard work. I want to advise the youth. Hard work pays. All these things everybody's doing, running around, they pay. They pay now hard work. They stand here today now because of the work when I do. Everybody's young, a day in the full glare. So I want to advise the youth. No shortcuts to victory. No shortcuts to success. Hard work, share hard work. If you do your work well, you do what you want to do, what your mind tell you make you do, you go succeed, you go excel, you go day where I did now today. My belly they sweet me well because I know say my hard work don't pay. And I thank God and I thank the people of Edo State and I thank Edo State government too for recognizing, say I work hard and they can't pay me back for the work when I do.
You want to double your hard work?
I go triple and not be double. I go triple this my hard work because I don't see say hard work they pay. So I go triple them. I'm not go just double, I go triple them.